look at how a new branch opening process can be transformed into digital playbooks. Opening a new branch is always an exciting time. Growing into new market and expansion of your operation can be a beginning of new opportunities, but it can also be hard to get it right. From choosing the right location to branch layout to managing logistical requirements to minor but important things like IT setup, office supplies, and also parallelly managing the recruitment of the entire group. In short, all of this put together can often provide unique challenges and is certainly amongst the trickiest undertakings an organization can commit to, and hence a digital playbook. But before creating a branch opening playbook, let us first briefly understand what a playbook is. At core, your digital playbooks are the set of tasks or activities that help you manage your repetitive scenarios involving multiple stakeholders. In simple words, if this happens, then run that playbook with these role-based tasks. That is, if a condition is met, then trigger the predefined set of tasks which are to be assigned to relevant stakeholders. In this video, we will also understand the playbooks in a little more depth, but using just 3 simple steps. First is creating the playbook. Second, executing the playbook. And third, monitoring the playbook. So let's delve into the exciting use case that we have at hand, which is opening a new bank branch. What you see right now is an Excel version of a branch opening process. It involves multiple stages of capacity planning, understanding the scale of operations that you're going to have, the number of team members that you will need to perform it, what is the IT and non-IT support that you need. Each of these tasks will be performed by different team members which are probably right now at different locations, but they have to adhere to a strict timeline. Given the operational and logistical scale of operations to open a new branch, there will be process bottlenecks. But if they are tracked and shortcomings are identified early on, scaling becomes easy. Keeping that in mind, let me introduce you to playbooks. Now, like we had discussed earlier, step 1 is creating a template. It is as simple as taking steps from your Excel and moving them to playbooks. Step 1 is click on the template. Name your new template. It is a new branch opening operation. And then step by step, keep listing the tasks that we just saw in the Excel. Make sure that they are assigned to the right team member so that when the playbook is triggered, it is assigned to the right person. Since it is the first task, it will be done on the first day. But as you move forward, your due date should be according to the steps that we have seen here. With this, save it and done. You have added the first step of the template. Similarly, keep on adding the steps until you reach the last step. For the sake of this video, I have already created a branch opening template that has all the steps that we saw in the Excel, the relevant team members who should be doing it, and when should all of these set of tasks be completed. With this, we have marked the completion of the first step, which is creating the template. The second one is triggering the playbook. It can be done in 2 ways. First is manual and second is automation. For manual, a user, in our case a business head, can log into the platform and start the playbook themselves, and it doesn't take a lot of time. It's a matter of seconds. The automation route is integrating the underlying systems. In our case, if you need to start a branch opening playbook automatically, the system should receive a trigger that says the new branch opening has been approved and therefore let's begin with the playbook. Now this brings us to the closure of second step. And now, since you have initiated the playbooks, they are in motion, the relevant stakeholders have their tasks assigned to them, it is also important to monitor the playbook, which is the last step. Now what you're looking at is the playbook dashboard. It tells you how many playbooks are running based on the triggers and the templates that we just saw. It tells you the schedule of your playbooks, how many of them are on time and how many of them are delayed. On the right hand side, you can see the capacity of your team, and therefore you can decide how you should delegate the tasks better. The other way to look at the ongoing playbooks is to look at each of them individually. If I continue with our use case, if you had multiple branches opening parallelly, you would see each of them as a different playbook. What is the level of completion and who is it with right now? Now, with this, we have seen all the steps involved in the process of digitizing your standard operating process of opening a new branch. The playbooks can be used repeatedly and can be tweaked as per regulatory requirements. And just like a branch opening operation, digital playbooks can be deployed for a wide range of business functions like vendor operations, security compliance, HR and training functions, and so on. To know more, let's get in touch.